What's going on, everybody? I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and you've probably seen one of these comments, maybe perhaps, replying to one of your comments on my channel. Telegram me at the Time Teller. Congrats, you've won! All you got to do is write to me on Telegram, and then we're going to ask you for money, and then you get screwed. That's what's going on. It's a huge scam. And if you look down at the bottom of the screen, this is an episode of mine, Huge YouTube Scam Targeting Watch Collectors 2022. It's not just happening within the watch world on YouTube. It's happening, it's like carpet bombing the majority of YouTube. A ton of YouTube channels are getting hit with this bot script, and a lot of people are getting screwed out of money. Now, there's a whole bunch of things wrong with this that don't really make sense when you critically think. And I'm going to try to walk you through this because it's incredibly frustrating, and hopefully we can draw some attention to this and get this shut down. Okay. Back in July when I made this episode, the Time Teller, telegram me at the Time Teller. You've won. Blah, 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 blah. Back in July, I wasn't running a giveaway, so it was kind of easy to kind of explain it away. Like, oh, the Time Teller's not running a giveaway. That's probably a scam. I'm just not going to interact with it. Now, I am running a giveaway on my channel. So I've gotten like 30 emails from people falling for this, being like, hey, what's going on about the thing I just won? Dude, I have 2 verified accounts online, and those are pretty much the 2 only accounts I'll ever interact with you with. The Time Teller on Instagram. And Instagram's kind of confusing because you have your Instagram name and your Instagram handle. The handle is the Simple Consultant. The name is the Time Teller. Regardless, it's a picture of me, and I have a big blue check mark. And then on Instagram, on YouTube, I'm the Time Teller, which is the account that you're watching this video on. So here's another thing that really doesn't make sense. If this person replied to you, telegram me at the Time Teller, telling you that you won the giveaway, why the heck wouldn't I just write to you from the Time Teller account? Because you're watching a video from the Time Teller account. So why would I use a different account to write to you, telling you to write to me? It doesn't make sense. That is not me. I do not have a Telegram account, and I will never ask you for money. If you want a giveaway, why would I then make you pay for the item or pay for shipping? It does not make sense. I'm going to brag here a little bit. I run the Time Teller shop. We get a lot of orders, and I ship all over the world every week, and I've never had an issue. If USPS can ship to you, then you will receive the item. So we're kind of pros, is what I'm trying to tell you when it comes to shipping. So there's no way in hell that you've won a giveaway through my channel, and then we're going to need your help, and we're going to need your money to ship you the watch. No, if it's a giveaway, you won it, and it's free. Period. And we ship everywhere in the world. Okay. So that's the first thing I want to bring up, is that I only have 2 verified accounts. Those are the only accounts I'll interact with you with. And there's no way that we'd ever ask you to pay for a giveaway. So what can we do about this? Well, Telegram has a really shitty way. I just swore. I'm sorry. I try not to swear on the Time Teller channel. They have a really crummy way of reporting people. Again, I do not have a Telegram account. The way you do it is you email abuse@telegram.org, abuse@telegram.org, and you let them know that the user at the Time Teller, which is not me, you let them know that that user is impersonating someone else. And if you need to link them to this episode that I'm uploading right now, you can do so. But if we get enough eyes on this, hopefully something can be done about it. And it's bad for a multitude of reasons. It's bad for the people that are getting screwed, and it's bad for me as well. Not to make this solely about myself, but I mean, it's bad for the people that are getting screwed out of money, and it's potentially damaging, my reputation and my business that I've given everything to for the last 5 years. So this is serious, and I'm taking it seriously, and I want you guys to know that I'm taking it seriously. So speaking of the giveaway, and I'm not just plugging the giveaway here to plug the giveaway, there's a point to this. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is to subscribe to this channel, T3 Time to Drive. It's my car channel. We upload regularly, and we just broke past 9,000 subscribers. Once this hits 10,000 subscribers, the giveaway winners will be chosen. So if someone's telling you you've won the giveaway, that's not possible until we've hit 10,000, and we're just under 1,000 away. Okay? So subscribe to this channel. Once we hit 10,000, then the winners will be chosen. How will the winners will be chosen? Well, they'll be chosen randomly, but we're going to announce the winners on an episode. So I'm not going to be telling people in the comment section randomly from random accounts, hey, you've won, text me here. No, we're going to be announcing the winners on an episode, and you will be written to by a verified account. Okay, that's how it works. So, what can you win? Well, we're going to be giving away a Workhorse track day. Special thanks to Vero watch company for sponsoring this giveaway. And you could win one of these Orient aviation watches, blue dial on a bracelet, and then one of these textured asphalt dial with the coated case. These are 3 really cool watches. We're choosing 3 winners. Special thanks to Orient for also working with me and sponsoring my channel for this giveaway. Those are the 3 watches that you'll be winning. You will not be paying for these watches, and you will sure as hell not be paying for me to ship them to you. If you won the giveaway, you are getting these watches for free, period. And the giveaway winners will not be chosen until this account, T3 Time to Drive, hits 10K. So, with all this being said, please be smart and don't give your information out online. Don't pay for an item that you didn't order. And I appreciate people being so willing to support me, but if it's not from my verified account, you should be very suspicious and report that account. Okay, period. Just report that account. Also, if someone is writing to you from their YouTube account, the YouTube header is gray. It has like a gray box around the person's account name. So that's how YouTube lets you know that the owner of that account is writing to you. So when you get written to by some random person saying Telegram me at the time, it's not me, because it doesn't have that gray box and it doesn't have a check mark. So don't get screwed. Be smart. Be safe online. Thank you for entering the giveaway and supporting me with everything I do, but I will never ask you for money in that way. The closest thing to e-begging that we will ever do on this channel is when we're like, hey, join the channel memberships. $4.99 a month allows me to film literally every day of the week. Or when we say, hey, the podcast has a Patreon. That's the closest thing to e-begging. Or when I say, shop at the Time Teller shop, because that makes me money. That's the closest thing that we will ever do to asking for your money. This is not that. This is a blatant scam, okay? So please enter the giveaway. You'll be notified through an episode that you've won the giveaway. And then you'll be written to by a verified account. Period. That's it. All right? I love you guys. I'm so upset that this person is targeting my viewers. I'm not okay with it. I've emailed abuse@telegram.org. If you guys could please find it in your heart to also email abuse@telegram.org, and you let them know that at the Time Teller on Telegram is a fake account scamming people, and you can link them to this episode. Hopefully we can stop this. But thank you guys. It's 3:56 p.m. We just got down to business. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller. And always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it. All right, guys. I will see you on the Wednesday episode. Wow, you guys are getting a lot of content this week. Congrats.